been for us is the confidence for us to face the future. And today, God, we enter this day because we know you are the King forever. You reign forever. There's not a moment when you have ceased to reign. There's not a moment, O God, in the history of humankind when you forgot us. God, you said even if a mother forgets a child, you will never forget your maternity. Indeed, O God, you have been a faithful God. I will not fear my failure. I will not fear anything around me. I will not fear even if I must walk through the valley of the shadow of death. Because, O God, you are a faithful God. You are a God who loves. And from the bounty of your love, you have poured out